Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm out and about today on Saturday, and I thought I'd shoot a quick video while I was waiting on someone to show up. I am here and I'm back, guys. Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I want to go over SMS text message marketing. I've presented you guys with two different platforms, and I just want to talk about those today. They're both great, and I'm working them both. Okay, so don't think that I'm no longer in SMS Phone Leads. I just wanted to bring to you guys an additional and an alternative, because I've had people say they want to text more than 200 messages a day. So I brought in SMS Lead Network. Okay, so just made some notes real quick. I'm going to go over those. SMS Phone Leads, guys. Okay, that one is it's mobile optimized, and you can actually send those text messages out with your cell phone, because you don't have to upload any leads or any of that. Okay, it's $20 to get that system. You're going to get a phone number with it, and you're going to get 100 credits. Okay, and if you want to text 200 texts a day, that's when you would just log in your back office and upgrade for $33. Okay, and you can actually text to 200 mobile leads every day. Okay, and you're going to make a $16 residual income from everybody that upgrades. And there's so much more you can do with that, guys. Okay, you can actually set up a keyword, and you can have people text a keyword, and it will automatically text your website as well. Okay, so that's a great platform to do that. Okay, 200 a day. Okay, if it's a 30-day month, that's 6,000 text messages. Okay, so real simple. You make $20 every time someone purchases this little system. You cannot beat it. Okay, awesome way to start. Now, if you want to step it up and be a heavy hitter, and you want to text more than 1,000 text messages a day, that's the other system I presented to you, which is SMS Lead Network. With that one, you're going to get 10,000 leads. Okay, you're going to need to use your computer for this. Okay, 10,000 leads, guys. So it's only $197 one time, no monthly fees with this. You're going to make $100 every time you refer someone to SMS Lead Network. It's a full marketing system with capture pages, autoresponder built-in, training, marketing resources, traffic sources, a whole system. And with this one, you can schedule your messages. Okay, because that's what I typically do. Every day I normally schedule mine, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm out and about living life, and my text messages are set to go. And you literally can text 1,000 a day or more. 1,000 is going to cost you $7.50. I mean, that's insane. Okay, to promote whatever business it is you want to promote, or you can promote the SMS Lead Network. You can promote these platforms as well, and just make that a income for you. Okay, so if you did 10,000 texts, it's $37.50, guys. This is very reasonable. That's my website for SMS Lead Network. Okay, and I'm using the Conversion Pro, so I've put my I've shortened it, and I put a shortener in here for you. Okay, so I'm going to switch over real quick. Let's see if we can get over there, and I'm going to show you something. Hang on a second. Alright, this is the SMS Phone Leads web page you get. Okay, everything I just explained to you is here. You get 100 credits with it. You get a phone number with it as well. You can set up a bridge page, guys. You can do a lot with this little system for $20, and you get paid instantly. You're going to be set up through Stripe. Okay, so you go down here and just click create, and go ahead for $20. Get that system. If you want to send out more, upgrade for $33. Okay, and let me show you this SMS Phone Leads. Now let me flip over and show you the other one. Check it out. This is one of the capture pages, guys. This is a real nice capture page. So I'm going to flip over here real quick. Okay, I'm logged into my back office here. As you can see, that's one of the capture pages I just showed you. Here's the sales page you get, and here's 2 others. So actually you get 3 capture pages. Okay, and there's an FAQ page, so you can check that out as well and just confirm everything that I'm saying here. But this system is awesome, guys. Being able to send over 1,000 messages a day just increases, okay, your exposure to your business, whatever it is you're promoting. I'm promoting this system. I'm promoting Easy One Up. I'm promoting the SMS Phone Leads system. So anything you're promoting, just simply type your message in the box and send it out. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, so with this one, you just click right here, send SMS broadcast, right? You click that. Okay, this thing is going to run slow by me doing this, but let's see if we can do it. And you just select, the group that you have in your list. You're going to upload your list, and you're going to get a box. You're going to type your message in there, and you can send it out immediately, or you can schedule it. Okay, but there's so many tools in this one because it's more of a marketing system. Okay, here's your bonus leads right here. As I stated, you're going to get 10,000 leads, guys. They're going to be loaded once you join. Okay. This is an awesome system, and you can check also to see what's in your queue. Let me see here. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can go. Okay. See, I can click history. Let's see. Just want you to see both of these are great. Okay. I like them both. I'm using them both. Okay, and I've done some testing. As you can see, I put my own information in here just to test everything, make sure everything's going smoothly. But you can check your messages, guys. You can see your team. You have tools, banners, sample ad copy, advertising options, solo ads. It's just so many things under this roof. Okay, so this is a great place to start. Alright, and look how simple the messages are. I was just doing some testing last night. How to make 500 a day. And put your link in there, okay, and send that to 1,000 people, okay? Or just use this one. As you can see right here, I've already sent mine for today, so it's not going to allow me to send 200 more. But these are very simple, guys. The SMS Network, you can set that one and forget it. Just set it up for what time you want it to go out and go about your life. Or you can use this one, the phone leads, and just do it from your phone. If you're out and about and you decide, oh, I forgot to send me a message out today, you can actually just log in your back office and send your message, and you can test it before it goes out. Okay, so both of these are great platforms, okay, to use. I just want to give you guys an alternative, so it's not like I'm not in it anymore. I'm using them both. I'm getting exposure, exposure, exposure. That's the name of the game. It's a numbers game. Who can expose the most gets the most sales. Period. Okay? So that's what it's about. So either you want to do 200 texts a day or you want to do 1,000 plus a day. And just go with your budget. You can always, change later. But I just want to give you that option. Now, I'm going to show you what I created, where I created a keyword, okay, and I posted it on social media. So let me show you that. So you can do that too. Hold on. Okay. All right, guys, I want to show you this. This is how simple it is. I created this post on my cell phone, okay? Make $100 multiple times a day using your smartphone. Okay, and I made a keyword, money, M-O-N-E-Y, okay? And once you text to that number, it's going to send you a website to go check it out. I literally just posted this 17 minutes ago. So one like, I just did it. So that's how simple this thing is. You can post on social media, or you can just simply send out your text messages, whatever you choose. But I wanted you to have this information. Again, this is another marketing method, another tool. I always want to bring you some value, okay? Not just give you information how to make money, but how you can use tools to make money with the businesses you're already in, or you can actually use the tools, okay, promote the tools to other entrepreneurs. For you today, I'm not going to keep you. I just wanted you to see that and let you guys know that I am in both. I've been getting calls saying, hey, are you not doing the SMS phone leads anymore? No, I am doing it. I just wanted to show you also an additional SMS platform in which you can text more and not have a monthly fee. Okay, so there you have it. Get started. I'm going to put the link below, okay, for you for both of these tools. Go check it out, opt in, get in the funnel, see how it works. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. And I look forward to working with you guys. And I will see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. All right? Thanks, guys, for checking it out. I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.